What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video we will discuss about restore deleted file Windows 10. We're gonna discuss about how you can recover your all deleted files on your Windows 10 PC. Including that, we will discuss how you can back up all of your file in Windows PC and where is that option available in your Windows. So stay tuned and watch the complete video. Before going further, if you are new to this channel, then click on the subscribe button, select all to the bell notification and give a thumbs up if you like this video and leave your feedback in the comment section. First of all, you need to understand what you have to do if the file deleted from your Windows 10 PC. The first thing you have to do is to stop doing anything on your PC. I mean to say, like installing any kind of application or moving any files or data from D drive to C drive. Don't do anything on your PC because the space which is available for the file which was in your PC, which is no longer in your PC right now, that gonna be overwritten by different files or data. So it's really important for you to stop doing anything so that the space which is still there in which you have that file can be recovered by any software or by using command on your PC. And one more thing, if you are a technician who know about technical things, then I like to suggest you stop using shift and delete. Point 2. Check your deleted file in recycle bin. As you have a recycle bin, if you just simply use delete option to delete your file, like I want to delete Chrome from my desktop, then I do a right click and click on this delete icon, then it will show up in recycle bin. I can see that file and I can restore that file very easily. What I have to do, just do a double click on recycle bin and do a right click and click on restore. Click on continue and now you can see the Chrome is showing up here. Now as you can see, Google Chrome is restored. So if you're any of the file which you deleted from your PC, I want you to check in recycle bin so that you can restore it from recycle bin. And same goes for the Mac user as well. I know this video is not about the Mac, but if you are a Mac user, then I like to suggest you check your files in the trash. Point 3. Use software to recover. We have two software in our list which I like to recommend you. However, one of the software do have a limitation, so I do not like to suggest you, but I like to show you because there are some limitation, but that software works well sometime, and in some of the cases that software do not work like as we expect. So I like to show you both of them. Let's open the Google Chrome. Alright, as you can see here, the Google Safe Search. If you want to do a safe search on internet, then I like to suggest you can come on our website and click on this safe search option and you'll be on this page to do a safe search. We have some really important setting on our page by which you'll not get any kind of malicious website show up while you're searching on Google. Let me type here disk drill. I do not like to suggest you disk drill because there are the limitation. Let me show you the limitation. Here as you can see on the screen, the free recovery up to 500 MB. So this is the limitation you have on disk drill software for Windows. Let me show you how it works. Let me download this software. I used it 3 to 4 times and I recommended duplicate file finder as well for Windows user, but this one I do not like to recommend as there is a limitation. Once you start installing the software, before that I want you to change some settings as your files is deleted from your Windows PC. So as I suggested in first point, you do not have to install any software or any kind of files move in your C drive. So you have to make sure that you save all the data of the software in D drive. For that, click on options. Here, unselect this option, click on browse, click on this PC. As you can see, I have two drives available here, C drive and D drive. So you have to save all of the data in D drive if you lost your file in C drive, and if you have lost your files in D drive, then save all files in C drive. I do not have a D drive, so I'm right now selecting the C drive because I only have C drive right now, but you have to select the D drive if you lost your files from C drive. And if you lost your files from D drive, then select C drive. I hope you got my point. Now let's click on OK and install. Click yes and let's launch the software. Click yes. As you can see the interface of this software, as there are some limitation, along with that we don't have some option which is available on other software. We do not have an option to select particular folder. So you can see here we do not have any option. We just need to simply select the drive and search for lost data. Quick scan, deep scan, or allocated existing data. So I do not like this thing. There are some limitation on any kind of software. I do not have any problem if any company show their advertisement on their software, but they should have to offer a free version so that any user can recover their data easily. I hope you agree with my point. You just need to click on search for lost data. It will start scanning your PC. As you can see, it's showing me 10.2 GB found, and there are the limitation of 500 megabyte. So it's not gonna work for me. Now let's check out the other software, which is Recover. Search here with typing Recover, press enter and you'll get the list here. Click on download recover deleted files free. You'll be on this page. Click on download free version. You can see the information here. You have to buy it if you want to go with professional option or if you opt for more professional bundle. I just want to show you how you can download this software and how you can save the files in your D drive. Click on free download. Click on download. Just open the software. Click on yes. Here you need to change few settings. As I told you in first point, you do not have to install the software on the same drive where you lost your data. So click on customize. You can see the option here. You have to click on more and now you can see the browse option. You just need to click on browse and you'll see the D drive and the C drive here. You can select your D drive. As I only have the C drive, so I'm selecting C drive in here. Click on install. Click on run recover. Here click on next. If you are looking for to recover your pictures, then select pictures. If you are looking to recover music, then select music. Looking for document, video, compressed, email, then select the option as per the requirement. I'm just selecting pictures. Click on next. If you are not sure where that picture was, then you can select this option. If you want to recover the file from media card or iPod, then select this option. If you want to recover from documents folder, then select this recycle bin. Or if you have a specific location, then select this option and browse. Select your location, click OK and click next. If you want to go with deep scan, then select this option and it will start scanning it. It's gonna take time, so I'm not gonna do this. You can do it very easily. It's gonna scan and recover your files and save it in different drive. There is one more thing you have to remember. When you recover your files, after recovering, you have to save it on different drive. Like you lost the file from your D drive, then you have to save all the recovered files in C drive. If you lost your file in C drive, then you have to recover all the file in D drive. Have to choose a different drive if you want to increase the chances of recovering your files. I'm clicking on cancel as I don't want to go with it. Point 4. Backup using file history. As I told you in the beginning, let me show you that option how you can backup your data in Windows 10. Click on Windows icon, click on settings. Here click on update and security. You'll see this backup option. Click on it. As you can see here, you just need to add a drive. You need an external hard drive or pen drive to save all the data onto your external pen drive or hard drive. It would be better to have external hard drive if you want to back up all of your data in Windows 10. Let me show you how it looks like. If you click on this more option, you have to click on see advanced setting. If you never done this before, then these are the things you'll get. From here, let me show you through pictures. As you can see this screen, you just need to click on select a network location and you'll see external drive here. As you can see in here, available drive. This is just an example, that's why I connected my pen drive. You can see here pen drive 14.5 GB and you just need to select and click OK. Afterwards, it's gonna show you this option. Do you want to remove your existing file too? Just click on yes and click OK. You'll see this screen. Just need to click on turn on and afterward it is start saving the copies of your file from your Windows PC to external hard drive. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.